Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel where we explore the coolest tech tools, trends shaping the world. You're excited about artificial intelligence as I am. Stick around because today we're diving into top tools you need to check out in 2025. So let's get started. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for AI. From smarter chatbots to AI tools, redefining creativity, AI is no longer the future, it is the present. Whether you're a professional, a student, or just someone who loves tech, these tools can seriously level up your game. First up, we have ChatGPT, vision from OpenAI. This tool takes conversational AI to the next level by combining text, images, and context. You can ask it to analyze charts, summarize complex documents, or even help you brainstorm ideas for your next project. Imagine having a genius assistant at your fingertips. The key features are it has multi-modal capabilities, enhanced productivity, accessible AI for developers, and the best part, it's incredibly user friendly, whether you're tech savvy or a beginner. Next, we've got the Mid Journey 6.0, the kind of AI art tool. This version is a game changer for designers, creators, and anyone who needs visual content. With improved realism, unique styles, and easy collaboration features, it's a must have for your creative toolkit. The key feature, hyper realistic image generation, team collaborations. Your imagination is the only limit with this tool. Coming in next is the 11 Labs Prime Voice AI, a groundbreaking tool for voice cloning and narration. Whether you're creating an audiobook, dubbing videos, or experimenting with voice tech, this tool delivers lifelike voices, which is almost you cannot tell if it's a human or a bot. Key features are a multilingual support, high quality voice cloning, realistic emotions. It's like having a professional voice actor on standby but digital. All the video creators out there, meet Runway AI Gen 3. It's your go-to tool for creating stunning video effects, animations, and even entire scenes using AI. Forget tedious editing, this tool does heavy lifting for you. The key features of this application are real-time video editing, AI generated scenes, intuitive interfaces. With Runway, even a beginner can make professional grade videos in no time. Finally, let's talk about the Jasper AI, the marketer's dream tool. Whether you need compelling ad copies, blog posts, or email campaigns, Jasper uses AI to craft content that converts. It's a huge time saver for anyone in business or content creation. The key features are AI generated copywriting, SEO optimization, custom tone and style, and there you have it, 5 incredible AI tools to supercharge your productivity and creativity in 2025. Whether you're into design, content creation, or just love exploring tech, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below how you like this video. If you want me to talk about more videos or make a elaborated video about a specific tool, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.